Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up Packer on Ubuntu Server hosted on AWS. So simply click the link in the description box to come to this marketplace listing of AWS, and from here you want to click on continue to subscribe. After that, you would be brought to this page where you need to accept the terms. So click on accept terms and wait for the subscription validation to complete. Once the validation is complete, simply click on continue to configuration. After that, choose the AMI software version and the region where you want your virtual machine to be deployed, and then click on continue to launch. After that, you get the option to launch the virtual machine from either the website or from the EC2 management console. So what I like to do is that I like to change it from website to EC2, and then I have to click on launch. Now this is going to open up the EC2 management console in a new tab, and within this tab I can customize my virtual machine. So give your virtual machine a name. I'm going to call mine as Packer, and then scroll down and make sure that the image you got or the image that is selected is the one that you got from the link in the description box, and then choose a key pair by creating a new one or by selecting an already existing one. After that, scroll down, and when you're satisfied with the settings, simply click on launch instance. Then wait for the deployment to complete. After that, simply click on view all instances. In here you can see our newly created virtual machine Packer right over here, but as you can see it is still in the pending state. So simply wait for it to change its state from pending to running. Once in the running state, we can access its SSH terminal. So for that, simply click on the virtual machine, right click on it and click on connect. After that, simply copy this command and paste it inside either a command prompt or a PowerShell, and then replace the text inside the quotation marks for the path where you have downloaded your private key. After that, hit enter, and when prompted, type in yes and hit enter once more. And then you would be able to access the SSH terminal of your newly created virtual machine. Now, this image that you got from the link in the description box comes with pre-installed Packer and all the prerequisites for Packer to create a new image. So we can confirm it by using the command packer -v, which stands for version. So as you can see that we are currently running version 1.7.2. After that, we can try out some basic commands. For that, we need to have a list of commands that we can execute. So type in packer --help. This is going to show you a list of all the available commands, and we can try out maybe a command like packer HCL2_upgrade, which is going to convert the template from JSON to HCL2 configuration. And maybe we can type in command like packer --inspect, which is going to see all the components of a template. Anyways, this brings us to the end of this video. If you have any queries regarding this tutorial, make sure to leave that query in the comment section down below, and make sure to check out the link in the description box for the marketplace listing of AWS. And if this video has helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.